माइक्रोप्लास्टिक अब सिर्फ एक एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न नहीं रह गई है. ओवर द पीरियड दिस हैज स्टार्टेड कॉजिंग मल्टीपल हेल्थ कंसर्न्स.
Hello and welcome back to Inside Your Skin podcast, where we discuss the good and the bad for your skin, hair and body. आज हमारे साथ है न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट साइमा and we'll be discussing how boiling the water can actually help remove microplastics from it and how mangoes are the richest source of vitamin C and so much more. So Saima, as we were discussing right before the shoot, how microplastics are silent threats not just to the environment but to our bodies as well. So would you like to shed some light upon the same ताकि हमारी ऑडियंस भी इसके सीरियसनेस को कंसिडर और बेटर तरीके से कर पाए?
Sure, माइक्रोप्लास्टिक अब सिर्फ एक एनवायरमेंटल कंसर्न नहीं रह गई है. ओवर द पीरियड दिस हैज स्टार्टेड कॉजिंग मल्टीपल हेल्थ कंसर्न्स. स्किन डिजीजेस तो अब नज़र आ ही रही हैं, लेकिन रूट कॉज अभी भी एक मेजर कंसर्न है. So for that we have to go deep into that and address कि हमारी actual problem क्या है. It's become a major cause of chronic disease, gut health imbalance and whatnot. So according to NCBI research, microplastic are entering bodies through different channels जैसे air, food, topical applications, water, fruits and vegetables.
Wait a second. Air and water? I mean, that is something unavoidable. खाने पीने में तो we can still make alterations, but air and water, वो कैसे control करें?
I know it sounds unbelievable, but maybe we have become so comfortable with everything around us that we almost cannot see a lifestyle change, which can help us achieve longevity. Like अगर आप घर में साफ सफाई proper रखते हैं, ventilation proper रखते हैं, fabric selection सही रखते हैं, plastic usage minimum कर देते हैं, तब तो एटलीस्ट जो क्रॉनिक डिजीजेस जैसी सिचुएशंस हैं वो अवॉइड कर सकते हैं.
बट व्हाट अबाउट वाटर एंड फूड? आई मीन आवर लाइफ डिपेंड्स ऑन इट. लाइक
वेल, इट्स जस्ट नॉट यू. बिना खाने के तो हम जैसे लोग भी परेशान हो जाएंगे. बट थोड़ी बहुत मॉडिफिकेशंस जैसे पानी बॉईल करके पीना, स्विचिंग टू ऑर्गेनिक फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, या फिर आप थोड़ी सी ऑर्गेनिक प्लांटेशन अपने घर पर भी कर सकते हो. ऐसे सटल लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस सो वी कैन टेक अ स्टेप टू रिड्यूस कंजम्पशन ऑफ माइक्रोप्लास्टिक इन साइलेंट वेज एंड मेंटेन आवर गट हेल्थ.
दैट वाज इंसाइटफुल. लाइक क्या इतनी मॉडिफिकेशंस काफ़ी रहेंगे? लाइक हाउ मच ऑफ अ बिग रोल डू टॉपिकल प्रोडक्ट्स हैव इन मेसिंग अप विद आवर स्किन माइक्रोबायोम एंड गट हेल्थ?
So now when we speak about gut health and skin, your face reveals a lot about your health. Like if you have breakouts on your forehead, right, then आपका digestive system का issue होगा. आप experience करोगे कि आपकी bowel movements fluctuate कर रही हैं. आपका temple में अगर आप if you notice the breakouts over there, तो क्या आपका symptoms होंगे like you will be facing problems in your kidney and liver. तो liver and kidney issue रहता है. And like if you have between your eyebrows, so it might signify that you have chakra imbalance. So these are all connected to your gut only. Dark circles, puffiness and eye जैसे baggy eyes होती हैं, तो ये सब issues क्या होते हैं? This is because of dehydration and stress. और stress आपकी skin को directly impact करता है. अब like आपके cheeks अगर red हैं, like more of red, so उसमें भी आपका स्टमक इश्यूज रहती है, स्टमक इन्फ्लेमेशन रहती है. और अगर बात करें जनरल ह्यूमन बिहेवियर की, तो ऐसे कंसर्न जैसे ही डेवलप होते हैं, वी लुक आउट फॉर क्रीम्स, लोशंस एंड स्क्रब्स and whatnot. So the moment you apply these creams and apply microplastic, that further mess with your skin microbiomes, which you have to understand. Eventually, you reach your bloodstream and everywhere in the body. It reaches everywhere in your body.
So how do you think lapping is solving the problem?
I feel that Lapping has smartly developed this innovative 100% microplastic free formula, and the French ingredients you are using are rich. They are indeed very rich, It's just that the Indian consumers are still very far from knowing what is good or bad for them, as everything is driven by marketing communications where people are primarily talking about benefits and the purpose is only to sell. But with Lapping, things are different. I'm convinced that you guys are just not only doing marketing and selling, but actually the brand is transparent and authentic. मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा जैसे आप हर इंफॉर्मेशन को इतने क्लियरली और बोल्डली प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, वो भी एक ऐसी जगह पर जहां मार्केटिंग ट्रैप में ऑलमोस्ट सभी कंज्यूमर्स फंसे हुए हैं. So I think you guys have entered the lion and mouse story in real life, where the consumer is the lion and La Pink is the mouse. Small but powerful.
So Saima, when we speak about skin microbiome, how do our diet and lifestyle have a negative impact?
Well, whether it's your skin or any other organ in the body, if you don't have a healthy lifestyle, nothing will function for you. स्किन माइक्रोबायम्स जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे आजकल बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक बन रहा है, एंड व्हाट इट इज़ लाइक वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि एक्चुअल में स्किन माइक्रोबायम्स हैं क्या. इट इज़ एन इनविजिबल प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर made up of friendly microbes. These microbes help guard your skin against harmful germs, support your skin natural barrier and help support inflammation and healing also. So अगर आपके lifestyle सही नहीं है, poor diet है, then आप चाहे कोई भी product लगा लो, nothing will help you out.
So what would be your go-to nutrients? Let's say या फिर हम ऐसा अपनी रूटीन में डाइटरी या लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस ला सकते हैं जिससे कि हमारा स्किन माइक्रोबायोम और गट हेल्थ दोनों ही वेल मेंटेन रहे.
और वैसे तो सभी को हेल्दी खाना चाहिए, लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, एंड सिंपल सस्टेनेबल लाइफस्टाइल ही फॉलो करना चाहिए. लेकिन आजकल के लाइफस्टाइल और क्रॉनिक कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग ही मॉडिफिकेशंस कर लेनी चाहिए.
But Simon, there must be some couple of nutrients that we all require, right?
Of course, you need macronutrients and micronutrients as well, minerals regularly, in moderate amounts. But to name a few, you must balance portion of carbs, proteins, fats, fiber, water, vitamins like B12, vitamin E, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, vitamin C, and many more such nutrients. Start with good basics and you are good to go.
Should we rely only on oral medications or topical medications can also be helpful?
Except for the nutrients that your body produces naturally, you need to maintain a healthy lifestyle with a clean diet. But it is equally important, what is in your diet. So primary oral medication functions better as there you have more chances of getting the actual nutrient in recommended amounts. Another way is the topical application. Here we have to be very, very careful with the type of topical products we are using. It should be natural and not synthetic. It should not contain microplastic. If your product contains microplastic, then let's presume it won't provide any benefit, but rather clog your pores with an invisible layer of plastic on your skin.
So speaking about microplastic free products, La Pink is actually boastful about bringing an entire range of such products, and I would really appreciate if you could try our vitamin C sunscreen.
Oh wow, so this is La Pink vitamin C sunscreen, right? So it has Kakadu plum, it has raspberries, it has blueberries, it has white haldi. Oh my god, it has such good ingredients. Amazed. I'll apply and see the texture. Wow. It is blending into my skin like anything. It has just melted into my skin. And my skin's become very super smooth, soft, and I'm happy with the product because the ingredients in it are very, very natural. They are made out of fruit and haldi and all, so it's really good.
So this is La Pink's vitamin C sunscreen. It has got Kakadu plum, gotu kola, raspberry, vitanol and white haldi, all that help your skin brighten, hydrate and boost collagen production. So this is not an ordinary sunscreen. It is basically a vitamin C powerhouse because it has got 100 times more powerful vitamin C found in Kakadu plum as compared let's say surpassing the levels of vitamin C found in normal oranges and lemons. So moving on, if you could just let us know what could be the possible side effect of a microplastic free product.
Well, to begin with, I think it would be a placebo effect, because a visible difference in product, texture and sensory. We as Indian consumers have seen a particular texture since our childhood, and that is the perception that we have it. Yes, like कोई भी क्रीम है तो थिक होगी, ग्रीसी होगी, सेरम है तो वाटरी होगा, सनस्क्रीन है तो जेल बेस्ड होगा. लाइक ऑल दीज थिंग्स, जो बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स ऐसे हैं जो हमने अपने माइंड में बचपन से बिठा ली हैं. जब हम काफ़ी टाइम तक कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं तो उसकी आदत सी पड़ जाती है. इट बिकम्स अ हैबिट दैट वी कैन नॉट लेट गो ईजिली. येस, वी कैन मेक मॉडिफिकेशंस एंड अडॉप्ट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली, बट आई थिंक इट वुड बी द फर्स्ट नेगेटिव अप्रोच any microplastic free brand might face from the consumers.
So yes, I would agree to this thing, but what should we as consumers be doing to understand, or let's say to know the difference between what is right and what is wrong?
So read the labels first, simply read it nicely, but before doing that you should know about the ingredients. If I as a consumer have heard about microplastic, then my first step is to find out what they are, what they look like and how to identify them. If the label says polyethylene, carbomers and acrylates, then that products contain microplastic. Another thing to emphasize is knowing the allergic reactions your skin may have to specific natural ingredients. Avoid that product if you are allergic to any plant-based ingredients.
Natural ingredients से कैसे किसी को नुकसान हो सकता है?
Let's be honest, आजकल की अर्बन लाइफस्टाइल में सबसे ज़्यादा फूड डिसऑर्डर्स हैं और उनकी ही वजह से आपकी गट में प्रॉब्लम होती है. अब अगर किसी को मिल्क से एलर्जी है तो वो चाहे मिल्क को किसी भी फॉर्म में ले लेगा, उसको एलर्जी हो जाएगी. He will have that adverse effect on his gut. Another thing to emphasize is knowing the allergic reactions your skin may have to specific natural ingredients. Avoid that product if you are allergic to any plant-based ingredients. गोरा दिखना है तो दूध पियो. It all started there, via big marketing agencies. But it all come down to your level of awareness about you, about the product and about actual science. अगर सब कुछ इंटरनेट पर इजीली अवेलेबल होता तो हम जैसे एक्सपर्ट का शायद कोई काम नहीं होता, राइट? मार्केटिंग कंपनीज वुड हैव बीन ड्राइविंग द शो.
Ouch. As a marketing person, मुझे यहाँ थोड़ा सा दर्द हुआ, but facts remain fact, and that is the entire gist of a series as well. Speak about the fact. So never mind. Moving on. हम शायद भावनाओं में ज़्यादा बह गए हैं. So Saima, why do you think it is important now more than ever to actually switch to a microplastic free product?
Microplastics in skincare can cause skin irritation, allergies, hormonal disruptions and may be absorbed or ingested, leading to inflammation and long-term health risk. When rinsed off, they pollute water, harm marine life and accumulate in the food chain, potentially impacting human health through diet. तो ये साइकिल घूमकर अपने ही डाइट में आती है, एयर में आती है, ब्लड स्ट्रीम तक भी पहुंचती है. लेकिन जस्ट स्किन केयर बदलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to focus on your diet as well.
Oh yeah, diet. So अब diet इतना सुनते मुझे curiosity हो रही है, like how can diet help you?
Diet is the driving fuel of the human body. अगर आपकी fuel ही diluted हैं तो आपकी body में disruptions रहेंगी. Have more seasonal fruits like mangoes, as I'm having, which are available at this time, and not many people know that this is a supreme source of vitamin C which is readily available for Indian consumers. It is not only tasty but beneficial for the skin microbiomes. 67% of vitamin C, 20% of copper, 10% of vitamin A and 10% of vitamin E. So go grab your mango.
So we are at my favorite segment of the podcast, Fact or Cap. So basically it's a rapid fire round where you have to be very quick with your answers. So I'll be basically throwing some statements or let's say questions onto you, and you tell me whether it's a fact or it's a cap. Boiling water to remove microplastics, fact or cap?
Fact.
Oral medication assimilate faster than topical medications, fact or cap?
Fact.
Knowing the meaning of microplastic is enough, fact or cap?
Cap.
Oranges and lemons are the only source of vitamin C, fact or cap?
Cap.
You can apply 10% of vitamin C daily on your skin, fact or cap?
Fact.
Skin microbiome and gut microbiome have no relation, fact or cap?
Cap.
Phew, that was intense. So I'm sure हमारी audience अभी भी interested होगी to understand how boiling water can actually help, remove microplastics from water at least.
It's not something new. It has always been a household practice in Jainism. उनका एक फेस्टिवल होता है पर्व पर्यूषण, जिसमें वो पानी तो पीते हैं बट बॉईल कर कर ही पानी पीते हैं. सो दिस इज़ नॉट बीन मार्केटेड लाइक, सो शायद लोगों को इसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, क्योंकि आजकल RO फिल्टर्स का ज़माना है. वी एज कंज्यूमर्स वी थिंक कि बस वी आर यूजिंग दैट RO वाटर एंड वी आर सेफ फ्रॉम द बॉइलिंग प्रोसेस. असल में बॉइलिंग प्रोसेस जो होता है, इट एक्चुअली हेल्प यू रिमूव माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स एंड देयर हैज़ बीन अ थोरो स्टडी ऑन इट. यू कैन check the link in the description for scientific proof also.
So we also have a segment where we would want you to compare our Laping's vitamin C sunscreen within a regular drugstore sunscreen and give us your honest review.
Oh, so this is another brand, right? So let me try both the brands and see what is the difference. So now let's compare both the products and see what is the difference. I'm merging this. Look at this. This is thick. And look at this. This is so easily merged in the skin.
So no worries, for more such informational videos regarding to microplastic, subscribe to Laping's YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next.